How to allow duets and snitches on TikTok. Hi guys, welcome. In this video I am going to show you how you can do it easily. So first of all, open your TikTok application and you have to go for your profile on the bottom right. Once you are here, you have to simply go for the three bars on the top right and go for its settings and privacy. Once you are here, click on privacy, and if your account is private, make sure to turn that off. Once you are done, you have to now scroll down to this duet and go for the duet. Now simply set it to everyone. Once you are done, you can go back and go for the stitches and set it to everyone again. Once you are done, you are good to go. So that's how basically you can allow duets and stitches on TikTok.